A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough.
Jumpshare uses a flexible pricing approach that scales from individual users to teams who need fast screen sharing, file delivery, and lightweight video communication. The free option allows users to upload files, capture screenshots, and record short screen videos, making it easy to test the platform without commitment. As users move into paid plans, limitations are removed and advanced features become available, including higher upload limits, longer recordings, video hosting, analytics, branding options, and team collaboration tools. This structure makes Jumpshare appealing to freelancers, remote teams, and businesses that want simple, efficient communication without the complexity of full video production software. One of Jumpshare's core strengths is how quickly content can be created and shared. Users can record their screen, webcam, or both, then instantly generate a shareable link that recipients can view without signing up. File sharing is seamless, supporting large files, previews, and comments directly on shared content. Built-in screenshot and annotation tools allow users to explain ideas visually, highlight problems, or give feedback clearly. Video playback is smooth, and viewers can leave time-stamped comments, which improves collaboration and reduces back and forth messaging. Jumpshare focuses heavily on simplicity and speed. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing users to start recording or uploading within seconds. Files and videos are stored in the cloud, making them accessible across devices. Teams can organize content, manage permissions, and control who can view or download shared assets. Analytics provide insights into whether files or videos have been viewed, helping users follow up at the right time. This is especially useful for sales teams, designers, educators, and support teams who rely on visual explanations and fast feedback loops. There are several advantages to using Jumpshare. It combines screen recording, file sharing, screenshots, and collaboration into a single platform, reducing the need for multiple tools. The low learning curve makes it ideal for non-technical users, while the sharing experience feels polished and professional. However, there are also limitations to consider. Jumpshare is not designed for advanced video editing or cinematic production, so users needing complex edits, animations, or multi-track timelines will need separate software. While it works well for quick communication and feedback, it may feel limited for creators producing long-form or highly polished video content. When it comes to public reviews, not all platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Currently, Jumpshare does not show an official Trustpilot rating, which should be viewed as neutral rather than negative. Some platforms, such as GetQuinn, do display user ratings, but where official data is unavailable, users are encouraged to rely on trials, real-world testing, and workflow fit rather than ratings alone. Jumpshare's continued use by remote teams and professionals provides practical reassurance of its reliability and usefulness. Overall, Jumpshare is best suited for users who value speed, clarity, and ease of sharing. It excels at visual communication, quick explanations, and file delivery without unnecessary complexity. While it won't replace full video editing suites, it delivers exactly what it promises: fast, effective screen-based communication that keeps teams aligned and productive. Camtasia follows a structured pricing approach that appeals to educators, trainers, and professionals who want reliable screen recording combined with full video editing control. Unlike browser-based tools, Camtasia is a desktop-focused solution that emphasizes ownership and long-term use, with optional upgrades over time. A trial version allows users to explore the core workflow before committing, making it easier to evaluate whether the software fits their production style. This approach is attractive to users who prefer a stable, offline-capable tool rather than relying entirely on cloud-based platforms. Camtasia's biggest strength is how seamlessly it combines high-quality screen recording with a powerful timeline-based editor. Users can capture their screen, webcam, microphone, and system audio simultaneously, then refine recordings using multi-track editing. The editor includes trimming, cutting, transitions, zoom, and pan animations, cursor effects, callouts, annotations, and titles, allowing creators to transform raw recordings into polished instructional content. Another standout feature is Camtasia's focus on clarity and viewer engagement. Visual effects like highlights, magnification, and motion paths guide attention during demonstrations, while captions and accessibility tools make content easier to follow. Quizzes and interactive elements allow educators and trainers to create more engaging learning experiences. Export options are flexible, enabling creators to optimize videos for online platforms, learning management systems, or internal portals without complex setup. There are several strong advantages to using Camtasia. It offers professional level results without the steep learning curve associated with high-end video editing software. The all-in-one workflow reduces dependence on multiple tools, saving time and simplifying content creation. Performance is stable, and the interface is designed to be approachable even for beginners, while still offering enough depth for advanced users. However, there are limitations to consider. Camtasia is primarily optimized for screen-based and instructional content, so creators looking for cinematic visuals, advanced color grading, or complex motion graphics may find it limiting. Collaboration features are also more limited compared to cloud-first platforms, which may affect teams that rely heavily on real-time feedback and shared editing. When it comes to public feedback, not all software platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Some tools, such as Jumpshare, currently show no official Trustpilot rating, while others like GetQuinn provide user ratings. If no official Trustpilot rating exists for Camtasia, this should be considered neutral rather than negative. Users are encouraged to rely on hands-on trials, professional reviews, and real-world use cases to assess suitability rather than depending solely on ratings. Camtasia's long-standing presence in education, corporate training, and professional content creation offers additional confidence in its reliability. Overall, Camtasia is a strong choice for anyone who needs clear, structured, and professional screen-based video content. It excels in tutorials, training materials, presentations, and instructional videos, where clarity and polish matter most. While it may not replace advanced cinematic editing tools, it delivers a dependable, efficient workflow that supports long-term content creation with consistent quality. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and productivity tools explained clearly. Click the link below to access Camtasia and Jumpshare directly, explore their official features, and choose the software that best supports your recording, editing, and communication workflow today.